Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Are REITs a good investment in 2021? The FTSE NAREIT Equity REITs Index was up 36% in 2021, compared with 26% for the S&P 500 as of December 23, according to real estate analytics firm Green Street. If that trend continues for the remainder of the year, 2021 will be the REIT Index's best year since 1976 in terms of absolute performance, Green Street said. What REITs does Warren Buffett own? Not only is Store Capital, Store minus 0.07%, in Berkshire Hathaway's BRK, a 0.41%, BRK, B 0.40% stock portfolio, but it's the only real estate investment trust, REIT. The Warren Buffett-led conglomerate has chosen to put its own capital into. Do REITs pay dividends? REIT shares trade on the open market, so they are easy to buy and sell. The common denominator among all REITs is that they pay dividends consisting of rental income and capital gains. To qualify as securities, REITs must pay out at least 90% of their net earnings to shareholders as dividends. Is 2022 a good year for REITs? In 2022, there will likely be further improvement in overall economic conditions, with rising GDP, job growth, and higher incomes, in a supportive financial market environment where inflation pressures gradually subside and long-term interest rates remain well below their historical norms. How will REITs perform in 2021? Mortgage REITs were positive, notching returns of 22.5% for the commercial financing sector and 11.5% for the home financing sector. Broader markets also turned in positive annual performance in 2021, with a total return of 26.5% on the Russell 1000. How will REITs do in 2021? When investors look back on 2021, one sector that will stand out is real estate investment trusts, REITs. As a group, REITs rose an impressive 40%, compared with a roughly 27% gain for the Standard & Poor's 500 index. Why you shouldn't invest in REITs? Non-traded REITs have little liquidity, meaning it's difficult for investors to sell them. Publicly traded REITs have the risk of losing value as interest rates rise, which typically sends investment capital into bonds. How many REITs are there in India? 3 Indian REITs. History of REITs in India. The 3 Indian REITs are Embassy REIT, started in 2017, Brookfield REIT, commenced in 2019, and Mindspace REIT, began in 2020. All 3 of them are listed and traded on both the BSE and the NSE. Are REITs a good investment for 2022? Investors positioned in the best REITs could be set up for even more outperformance in 2022. The main reason REITs remain so popular with investors year after year is the reliable strength of their dividends.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.